Welcome back. We are still on the topic construction. In the previous video, we solved a question on using a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a quadrilateral. In this video, we are going to solve another question. The question for this video is, using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct a quadrilateral ABCD such that the side AB is equal to 8 centimeters. The side AD is equal to 10 centimeters. The side DC is equal to 8.5 centimeters. Angle BAD is equal to 90 degrees and angle ADC is equal to 75 degrees. To begin, we will have to select one of the sides given to us as the base. We have been given three sides here: AB, AD, and DC. We have also been given two angles, angle BAD, which means that the angle will fall on point A, and angle ADC, which means that the angle will fall on point D. So the first angle falls on point A, and the second angle falls on point D. Because of this, I'm going to choose the side AD as the base, because when I choose the side AD as the base, I can easily construct angle BAD on point A and angle ADC on point D. So the side AD with length 10 centimeters is going to be my base. Now let's begin with the construction. As we have been doing all along, to begin, we'll pick the ruler and we'll draw a long horizontal line. So I have my ruler here. We'll draw a long horizontal line here. I'm going to use the side AD as the base. The length of the side AD is 10 centimeters. So I'll pick the compass and measure 10 centimeters on the ruler. I'll put the needle of the compass on 0, then stretch the other part to 10 centimeters, which will be 100 millimeters on my ruler. After getting this, I'll transfer it onto the line. So I'll put the needle of the compass here, then I'll turn the compass a little bit and construct an arc to intersect the line. After that, with the same radius, I'll move the needle of the compass to this point, then I'll turn it again and construct another arc to intersect the line. I'm going to clean this part of the arc, and I'll clean this part also. I'll clean here and clean here too. This is point A and this is point D. The length of the side AD is 10 centimeters. The quadrilateral we are constructing is quadrilateral ABCD. So if I choose the side AD as my base, what it means is that point B will be somewhere here and point C will be somewhere here, so that we will have the quadrilateral ABCD, just as it was given to us in the question. I'm going to clean this so that we can continue. So now let's move on to the angles. We have been given angle BAD as 90 degrees. Angle BAD will fall on point A. So we are going to construct a 90 degrees angle at point A. To do that, we will move the needle of the compass to point A, since the angle is on point A. Then we adjust the compass a little bit. Adjust the compass a little bit, just as I've done here. You turn it and you construct a semicircle on the line AD using point A as the center. Now, after you are done, you move the needle of the compass to this point. The needle of the compass to this point. Then you adjust it a little bit. You turn it and you construct an arc here. After that, with the same radius, you move the needle of the compass to this point. Then you turn the compass and you construct an arc to intersect the first arc that you constructed. I'm going to clean this part of the arc and I'll clean this part also. To get our 90 degrees angle, we will draw a straight line to join the point of intersection of the two arcs to point A. So the angle formed here is 90 degrees. The question tells us that the side AB is equal to 8 centimeters. So you measure 8 centimeters on the ruler using your compass. You put the needle of the compass on 0, then you stretch the other side to 8 centimeters, which will be 80 millimeters on my ruler. Now, after that, you move the needle of the compass to point A. We are going to construct the side AB. We know point A, so you put the needle of the compass on point A, then you turn the compass and you construct an arc to intersect the line. The point of intersection of the arc and the line will give us point B. So we have point B here. Let's move on to point C. We have been given angle ADC as 75 degrees. So we are going to construct a 75 degrees angle on point D. To do that, you pick the compass and you put the needle on point D. Then you adjust it a little bit. After that, you turn it and you construct a semicircle on the line AD using point D as the center. Now, after you are done, with the same radius that you used to construct the semicircle, you move the needle of the compass to this point, then you turn it and you construct an arc to intersect the semicircle, just as I've done here. We have learned from the previous videos that the angle formed between this point and this point is 60 degrees. The next thing that you do is that you construct a 90 degrees angle on point D by bisecting the semicircle. To do this, you put the needle of the compass on this point, you adjust the compass a little bit, then you turn it and you construct an arc here. With the same radius that you used to construct the arc, you move the needle of the compass to this point, turn it, and you construct another arc to intersect the first arc that you have constructed. I'm going to clean this part of the arc, and I'll clean this part also. To get the 90 degrees angle, we will draw a straight line to join the point of intersection of the two arcs to point D. From the video on constructing a 75 degrees angle, we learned that to get the 75 degrees angle at point D, we are going to bisect the 30 degrees angle formed between this point and this point. So to do that, you move the needle of the compass to this point here, then you turn it and you construct an arc here. After that, with the same radius that you used to construct the arc, you move the needle of the compass to this point, you turn it, and you construct another arc to intersect the first arc that you have constructed. I'm going to clean this part of the arc, and I'll clean this part also. We will then draw a straight line to join the point of intersection of the two arcs to point D to get the 75 degrees angle. The question tells us that the side DC is 8.5 centimeters. So you pick your compass and you measure 8.5 centimeters on the ruler. So I'll adjust the compass a little bit. Then I'll measure 8.5 centimeters on the ruler, which will be 85 millimeters on my ruler. So you measure 8.5 centimeters, which will be 85 millimeters on my ruler. Then after that, you move the needle of the compass to point D. The side is DC and we know point D. So I'll put the needle of the compass on point D. Then I'll turn the compass and construct an arc to intersect the line, just as I've done here. The point of intersection of the arc and the line will give us point C. So we have point C here. To get the side BC, we will draw a straight line to join point B to point C. I'm going to take both the compass and the ruler off so that you can see the quadrilateral clearly. We have now constructed the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. The side AD is 10 centimeters. The side AB is 8 centimeters. The side DC is 8.5 centimeters. Angle BAD is 90 degrees and angle ADC is 75 degrees. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on constructing a quadrilateral using a ruler and a pair of compasses only. Bye-bye.